Good morning, students. Yesterday, we discussed about the absence of partnership deed. What are the procedure to be followed for providing interest on capital, interest on drawings, interest on loan, profit sharing ratio, everything. The explanation of illustration. Today, we are going to discuss methods of maintaining capital account of partners. Methods of maintaining capital account of partner. Amount invested by partner in the partnership business is called partners capital. Amount invested by the partner in the partnership business is called partners capital. Capital may be contributed by partner in the form of cash, in the form of asset, or any other kind. Capital may be contributed by the partner in the form of cash, in the form of asset, or any other kind. For each partner, a separate capital account is maintained. But in sole trader, we prepare only capital account to be appear on the liability side. But in partnership, we prepare separate capital account of each partner. In partnership, we prepare separate capital account of each partner, because some partner contribute capital, some partner may not contribute capital, some want to contribute 1 lakh and some want to contribute 3 lakh or 5 lakh. The capital will vary. Then profit sharing ratio also will vary. So that purpose we are going to prepare separate capital account for each partners. Capital account and current account. Two more account in fixed. For example, capital accounts of your partners may be maintained by the following two methods. Capital account of partners may be maintained by the following two methods. One is fixed capital method, another one fluctuating capital method. In methods of maintaining capital account, two methods. One is a fixed capital method, another one fluctuating capital method. First, we are going to discuss fixed capital method. Under fixed capital method, the capital of partner is not altered. The capital is not changed year after year. The capital remain fixed. The capital of the partners is not altered and it remains generally same. Okay. So the capital does not vary year after year is called fixed capital. The accounts are maintained for each partners, namely capital account and current account. Under fixed capital method, we are going to prepare two more accounts. One is capital account, another one current account. The transaction relating to initial capital introduced, additional capital introduced, and capital permanently withdrawn are entered in the capital account. So, capital contributed by the partner or additional capital contributed by the partner or amount permanently withdrawn from the business, these three items alone to be appear in the capital account, and the other transactions are recorded in the current account. See, only capital, additional capital, permanent withdrawals. These three items alone to be appear in the capital account. The other related items like interest on capital, interest on drawings, a partner's salary, share of profit, commission to the partners, these things are transferred to current account. Okay. In fixed capital method, we prepare two accounts. One is capital account, another one current account. What are the items appear in the capital account? Because capital contributed by each partner. If any additional capital contributed by the partner, if any permanent withdrawals from the capital, these three items alone appear in the capital account. Other related item should be transferred to current account. See, under fixed capital method, capital account always shows credit balance. Under fixed capital method, capital account always shows credit balance. But in current account, sometimes it may be debit balance or it may be credit balance. Current account shows sometimes it may be debit balance or it may be credit balance. What are the items appear in the current account? Current account also have two sides. One is debit side, another one credit side. Debit side only drawings alone to be appear. Then credit side like interest on capital, partner salary, share of profit, commission to the partner, and interest on drawings also to be appear in the debit side. Drawings as well as interest on drawings alone to be appear in the debit side of respective partner's current account. Once again I repeat, drawings and interest on drawings alone to be appear on the respective partner's current account debit side. Other item like interest on capital, partner salary, share of profit, and commission to the partner. These things are to be appear on the credit side of partner's current account. So the partner's current account should be closed. Either it may be debit side is heavier than credit side or credit side is heavier than debit side. So the balance of current account sometimes shows debit side, debit balance, or sometimes shows credit balance. Partner's capital account. Capital account is credited with the original amount of capital introduced by a partner into the business, and any additional capital introduced by him or her in the subsequent year. The amount is debited with the amount of capital permanently withdrawn by the partner from the business. No other item are debited or credited to this account. Only capital introduced by the partner, if any additional capital introduced by the partner, if any withdrawal from the capital, these three things alone to be appear in the capital account. Then capital account will always shows credit balance. Under fixed capital method, capital account are always shows credit balance. The balance of capital account remains the same unless any additional capital introduced or capital is permanently withdrawn. These things are to be appear in the capital account. The format of partner's capital account under fixed capital method. See particulars. Partner A, partner B. And the credit side, particulars, partner A, partner B. The opening balance is generally capital always shows credit balance. The opening balance of capital account to be appear on the credit side, that is by balance brought down. If any additional capital contributed by the partners to the firm, what is the journal entry? Cash account debtor to respective partners capital account. Cash account debtor to respective partners capital account. Capital account is credited, so it should be appear on the credit side of respective partners capital account. If any withdrawal by the partner from the firm, what is the journal entry? Drawings account debtor to partners capital account. Sorry, capital account debtor to drawings account. Permanent withdrawal by the partner. What is the journal entry? Capital account debtor to cash or bank. Okay, then two more entry. One is drawings account debtor to cash, and again capital account debtor to cash. So capital account debit side to cash or bank, and the remaining balance to be appear. So opening capital, any additional capital introduced by the partner, if any permanent withdraw by the partner from the business to be appear on the debit side. So three item alone to be appear in the fixed capital method under capital account. Then current account, partner's current account. The partner's current account is prepared for recording all transactions between partners and the firm. What are the transactions we are going to record? all transactions between the partners and the firm other than initial capital introduced or additional capital introduced, capital permanently withdrawn. So apart from capital introduced or additional capital introduced, permanent withdrawn, other items are to be appear in the current account. This account is credited with interest on capital, partner salary, commission and share of profit to the partners. This account is debited with the drawings, interest on drawings or and share of loss of the partners. As a result, the balance in this account changes periodically. Current account may show either credit or debit balance. Already I said some of the items to be appear in the current account. Apart from capital contributed by partners, additional capital introduced by the partners, if any permanent withdraw. Apart from these things, other related item, partners and firm to be recorded in the current account. So what are the items appear in the debit side? Drawings, interest on drawings and share of loss. These three things alone to be appear. What are the items appear in the credit side? Interest on capital, salary, commission, profit or loss, that is a profit. These items are to be appear in the credit side. Current account sometimes shows debit balance and sometimes shows credit balance. What is meant by debit balance and what is meant by credit balance? Debit balance means debit side is heavier than credit side. Debit balance means debit side is heavier than credit side. The difference to be treated as a debit balance. Credit balance means credit side is heavier than debit side. The difference to be treated as a credit balance. Okay, the opening balance of a current account, it may be debit or credit. If debit balance to be appear on the debit side, credit balance to be appear on the credit side. So credit balance is the amount due to the partners from the firm. Credit balance is the amount due to the partners from the firm. It's shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. See, for example, credit side, these items to be appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. These items are to be appear on the asset side. Okay, so debit side is heavier than credit side and credit side is heavier than debit side. The difference to be treated as a debit balance or credit balance. So debit balance is the amount due from partner to the firm. It should be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Credit side is the amount due to the partners from the firm. It should be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. See, for the first two classes, we discuss meaning, definition, features of partnership, partnership deed, applications of the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932 in the absence of partnership deed, and the final account of partnership firm, methods of maintaining capital accounts, fixed capital as well as fluctuating capital. So first we discuss fixed capital. Under fixed capital method, we prepare two more accounts. One is capital account, another one current account. Capital, what are the items appear in the capital account? First one, capital contributed by each partner. Second thing, if any additional capital introduced by the partner. Third one, permanently withdrawn by the partner from the firm. These three items alone to be appear in the capital account. Because under fixed capital system, capital remains unchanged. Capital remains unchanged. That is the fixed capital system. Then current account. Current account sometimes shows debit balance or sometimes shows credit balance. So what are the items appear in the debit side of current account? Drawings of the partner as well as interest on drawings of the partner and loss on share of profit. These three things alone to be appear in the debit side of partner's current account. Then credit side. what are the items appear in the credit side of current account? Like interest on capital, partner's salary, commission, profit or profits of the firm shared by all partners. These things alone to be appear in the credit side. If credit side is heavier than the debit side, credit side is heavier than the debit side, it should be treated as a credit balance. It should be appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. If debit side is heavier than the credit side, if debit side is heavier than the credit side, it should be treated as a debit balance. The debit balance of current account will be transferred to asset side of the balance sheet. Okay, today class is over. Now I request every student just go through the above theory, then we will meet later. Thank you.